Welcome to Team EPT Clean Oil's Draft Special. Let's meet this week's scouting expert.
With the second pick of 2026 Reliability Draft, teams aren't just looking at performance, they're looking at the entire system.
Game film tells the story. Not just one metric off, everything trending in the wrong direction. Darkened oil, elevated acid levels, rising varnish potentials, and in some units, filters not even keeping up. And even if you replace those filters, they still can't remove what's dissolved. This is how breakdown begins. Acids and oxidation products form, varnish follows, deposits build, performance drops, reliability slips, and eventually, units trip. The ACE Scouting Department ran the tests, not theory, chemistry. The result? Up to 93% varnish removal, up to 92% reduction in acid levels, up to 73% reduction in harmful contaminant metals. And most importantly, zero impact on additives. This wasn't just cleanup, this was precision.
With the second pick, we select the SVR Lubricant Conditioning Skid. The SVR oil varnish removal system restores fluid chemistry full-time, offering the unique advantage of removing harmful contaminants during regular turbine operation, when they're dissolved in the oil. As a result, saturation cannot occur under any lubricant condition, preventing varnish formulation altogether. Because when breakdown is everywhere, you need a system built for soluble contamination. SVR targets what conventional filtration can't: dissolved varnish, acidic varnish precursors, and other oil-degrading products. But here's the edge. Remove varnish in solution, and deposits already in your system begin to dissolve. Now, you're not just reacting, you're reversing the problem. When the entire system is under pressure, we don't just patch one issue, we take control of the chemistry. SVR, built to remove what others leave behind. We are the pioneers. We are EPT Clean Oil. We are lubricant chemistry management experts.